Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to watch how to apply for a work visa for Netherlands step by step. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright. So guys, in front of you I have opened the official government of the Netherlands site. So the very first step I would say is to check what visa you need and how to get it. So checking anything on the official site is a very good thing. So this is the visa wizard. Here we can put some information and it's gonna tell us what exactly we gotta do. This is visa advisor. Okay, so what will be the duration of internal stay in the Schengen area? So definitely you're gonna stay more than 90 days, right? Next, what is your nationality? Let's say you are from India. You need to answer based on your situation, not what you see over here. So you would need long stay visa and it is asking you to go to this website. Okay, fine. Long stay visa. Okay, it is showing like MVV visa. Okay, choose your country. So let's say you are from India. So as you can see, like it is giving you the information in details so that you don't make mistakes. For residents. Okay, so it says if you want to stay for 90 days you need residence permit. Okay, in many cases you will also have to apply for long stay visa before you travel. This is called an authorization for temporary visa. All right, and in India you can apply either in New Delhi, Bangalore or Mumbai. Okay, fine. Applying through a host, so and it can be applied either through a host in Netherlands or in person at an embassy. Okay, now applying through a host in Netherlands, and they have also given through uh, embassy. So that depends upon your purpose. So if you are an entrepreneur, you can directly apply at an embassy. But if you are applying for work, so depending, you may have to submit the application. They apply to purpose of stay, study, work. So if you are going for work, okay, like let's say you are going for 1 year work or two, it needs to be applied by your host in the Netherlands. So we'll walk through that. Okay, so they have given more information. Alright, so for work, because this needs to be done by your host. So let's see, your host, in this case your employer, can submit application directly to their department, depends upon. Okay, and once your application is approved, they will send a letter to the host, in your case your employer, and this will also explain the next steps to apply. And once this is confirmed, like your host has got a letter of confirmation, then you can apply for this MVV visa or MVV permit within 3 months of your host receiving the letter. So first step is to get the approval letter and then apply. And they have given the documents also. What are the documents you need? So MVV issue form, what is it? It's a PDF file. You need to basic details like personal details, nationality, email, type of travel document, details of travel documents, employment, family, study, working holiday, other, working placement, whatever you have. and then they can apply. Then I mean, you need to fill, and you need to uh, let's see, they have asked for photo. Yeah, okay, country, photo ID, photo, in fact, sorry, all of the documents that are gonna be listed. Okay, so they will send you the details. Now we know about this, so they will be issuing, and you need to book an appointment. Okay, how do you do that? So you have this link where you can go ahead and book. Okay, online appointments you have. All right, now how your host can apply, we'll go through that. They have given a link also, but again, this is not something that you can do. They have to do it for you, for work. So your host, suppose they want to hire a foreign national, they need to go through these steps. Employee visa or residence permit. So they have multiple categories to select from and criteria. So based on the individual criteria and other things, do the English, they can apply through this. So this is employer portal, so I won't go much because I don't have any employer ID and all, but the process is clear to us. So thanks for watching this, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.